Wait. What? No way. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? That stinks. All right, what is going on, guys? So we got ourselves a special unboxing, unboxing of a new golf bag right behind me. And this golf bag I actually got off of Temu. And it was one of those bags that was kind of like, oh, this looks like a very premium, made out of leather bag, almost kind of like an OGO high-end bag, or as people know as Vessel. And so I was like, you know what? For a budget bag that looks premium, why not? Let's check it out. And so one thing I do gotta know is that this box, when it first came, I almost kind of forgot about it because it took over a month to get here. And once it kind of showed up on the front door, I was like, oh yeah, I totally forgot that I ordered that. But when I first saw it, I was like, oh man, like what is that? Because the box was beat up. I'm actually surprised the actual bag was still in the box, because I felt like this thing was held together by a thread. But luckily it's here. Let's open it up. Let's check it out. And yeah, let's check it out. Look at, see, even like the tape wouldn't even stay together. I seriously don't know how the bag didn't fall out. But let's open it up, check it out, get my first reaction, my first thoughts on this. I've never seen this. This is the first time actually seeing this bag. All right, here we have basically the carry bag. It's a carry stand bag. So we got, let's kind of just go through it. Just from the get-go, like right away when I see it, it's not terrible, but yeah. All right, let's kind of like just kind of go through it and kind of see what it feels like and all that. There's certain small things on here that I'm noticing, like even just like the handle here, or the hook, or the ring. It's like held together by like a flimsy Velcro strap. I'm surprised they did Velcro. That's kind of weird. But oh, maybe you put your golf glove, you can slap it on there. But the ring is made out of plastic, which, yeah. All right, let's go through the pockets real quick. All right. So overall, you got your main pocket here, and so, all right, so it's just one big pocket. It's one big pocket on the inside, right? Nothing fancy, just put all your stuff. The inside, the lining is just like a plastic lining. And then there's like a little pouch. Oh, okay. So it looks like, I'm guessing the smaller pocket for like mobile phones is a pouch. And so, yeah, basically it looks like it's a pouch within a pocket. So you can kind of tell, like, you can put your mobile stuff in here, but then it's within the pouch where you can actually see it. Not sure if I like that, but I mean, it is what it is. So you got one big pouch, mobile pouch, got a pencil holder right here, a little bit smaller hole, put your pencil. I don't really use that as much. Let's take a look here. Oh, nice. All right, so this front pocket here, it's magnet. So I guess, and then that's kind of nice. The inside right here is kind of like a velvet kind of feeling, soft fabric. So I guess like some like valuables or anything, you could put it in there. But that's kind of nice. I love the magnet kind of type of the bags. Right, it does that. And then one other thing too, can't really show you on video, but when you put your hand on there are these like grooves that kind of match your finger. That's kind of nice. I don't know if they did that intentionally, but that's a little nice added thing. All right, so here is the other pouch. All right, so here's the other pouch right here. There's a lot of Velcro plastic kind of like sitting in that. Yeah, just kind of like put these things in there. Huh. I wonder what... Oh, that's weird. Oh, interesting. All right, so I don't know, why would they do that? Huh. All right, so I'm finding that if you look here, right? This main pocket right here, like let's say you zip it up, right? And it's only one zipper, which is kind of, okay, it's one zipper right here. It's closed, but then it's held together on the bottom by Velcro. See, like this is the opening and things can like fall out. So if you put like your balls in there, like your balls could fall out. It's like held by this Velcro, which is very strange. They didn't like sew this together, and I don't know what the reason is for that. Like, that is very strange that they would do that. Like, again, I don't know. Maybe in the comments if you know why this part you can separate it, but I wouldn't want that. I wouldn't want the bottom part to be exposed, because like if you have things, then things can fall out. But I don't know, I'm not sure if I like that. It's very strange they use Velcro, but yeah. But that's kind of nice too. Again, on the bottom here, you got a handle. So if you need to pick up your bag, they include the handle. Here's the bottom. You can take a look at the bottom. It looks like it's got some nice plastic grip on the bottom. And then you got your side pocket here. Oh, this is nice. This looks like it's insulated here. So on the inside, you could probably put something cool or hot or whatnot in here. Maybe your drink or a can of drinks. Probably just one drink. It's another pocket. Pretty standard pocket in the inside. But other than that, you can look on the side here. Got cushion if you're gonna carry your bag. The straps, yeah, there's nothing to be really excited about the straps. They feel very, honestly, they do feel kind of cheap, but maybe they'll get the job done. Here, you can kind of see the quality, the stitching, not the greatest, but you can tell like just the straps kind of feel a little flimsy, not as good quality. But one nice thing I did notice is that, let's say I don't want to use the straps, you got these buckles that you can like take off. So that's kind of nice if you want just a clean look without those straps. But other than that, wait, what? No way, wait, what? Are you kidding me? All right. Are you serious? All right, take a look at this and you tell me if you see something wrong or if you see something strange. All right, so this is a stand bag, and you can look at the leg. Look at this leg right here. It's bent. Oh man. I don't know if that's Temu's fault or the shipping, FedEx's fault, but oh my gosh, like this thing is, you can tell, right? Like one is going whoop and then one's going straight. And the legs are made out of metal, and I mean, I guess it does. I guess that makes sense because the box was beat up. I wonder if someone sat on it and then it just bent. But oh, that kind of stinks. I don't know, like what Temu's return policy or how they factor in all of the like damaged products. But I mean, if you know, maybe you can comment and give me some recommendations. But that stinks. That this part is bent. Oh. Oh, and then one thing too to note. I mean, to be honest, the legs they're made out of metal. They do feel sturdy. Feel like your typical stand bag, and then on the bottom has nice like traction rubber grips. But look at this on the bottom here. If you want to like keep your legs held together, there's just another like thin Velcro straps to hold it together. Nothing fancy, just a simple like thin Velcro strap. I guess it is what it is. And then what else is there? Oh, I guess you got buttons. So the cover, the head cover, if you wanted to put the head cover on, you got the buttons to put it on there, which that's nice, pretty standard for most bags. And then, yeah, you can kind of like open it up. And so, oh, that's nice. Oh, so this bag has a two-way zipper, so there's two zippers. Oh, that's kind of cool. So yeah, you can do that. Anyways, this is the bag in itself. The handle feels pretty sturdy. I love this pocket here. Oh, one thing I should note is that it is a 5-way divider. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty standard. I actually do like this type of divider for your clubs. And then the handle is like a really hard plastic, so almost has a nice grip to it too. So you can kind of see the look of it. All right. Other than that, like for the most part, it's one of those things where some quality parts that are questionable. And all right, so one thing that I do like are the zippers. Like you can see the detail of the zipper right here. It's not cheap. It almost feels very premium and nice. And so like it just kind of blends well with the fabric of the so-called leather. I'm pretty sure this is not leather, but I'm sure this is pleather. Anyways, for the most part, yeah, it's one of those things that I'm surprised, but yet I'm not surprised. I mean, I am getting a bag off of Temu for $100, and it's one of those things, again, like you pay for what you get. In terms of like quality, we'll see. Maybe I'll give this a run, try it out, see how it holds up, and then do a review on it later on. But this is, again, just a first look and an unboxing. I still can't believe the leg. This is crazy. Just straight up bent. Maybe I can unbend it or not. But anyways, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. But until then, I appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you guys later.